This RV surge protector was sent to me to try out and let you know what I think. I want to show you a lot of the little details in here, and then I'm going to show you how it works outside. But a couple things I want to point out first of all, right, is the size of it. It is a big size because it is for a 50 amp service. You know that because it says 50 amp service right here. You just saw me flip this up. You may or may not notice it is significantly larger than many of the covers. Having a cover makes this more weatherproof, which is exactly what you're looking for. It is electrical, you want it to be weatherproof. But this really, the size of it helps to accommodate a lot of different sizes of plugs that might need to be plugged into this. Okay, the cool thing is it shows you what all of the different sort of variations and combinations of the colors will be. So you have that right there. You don't need to go searching for a manual. It's right there. The other great thing, it has one of these pull handles. Listen, I know it's such a silly thing, but for me, it makes a huge difference. It makes it so much easier to safely plug this in and unplug it. It's silly, but I love it. It makes a huge difference. But the biggest reason that this is different than basically the majority of the other ones out there, it has a replaceable module. So that means you're gonna be a lot more environmentally friendly. You don't have to worry about throwing this away and buying a whole new surge protector if and when the module breaks, because it's a thing that happens, right? If it surges, you could break your surge protector because it's protecting your RV. But this allows you to just change out the module. Let me show you how that's done, and I think you're gonna be impressed. So you have this little part right here for the replacement. I just have a little screwdriver here. You take the screwdriver and you pull out the screws. Pull them all out. Safely put them aside so you don't lose it, of course. And then, because I don't have any fingernails, I use my handy dandy knife that I keep on hand to pop this out. And then there is the module that you're going to replace, because again, you can just get the replacement module from the manufacturer, making this so much easier if and when that happens. Because again, then you have 4 more screws to pop out. You just pull that back out again. We're going to pull out this module. I do kind of like that that it's really in there so solidly so that you know this thing is not going to accidentally fall out. It's coming out because you are making the effort to pull it out. And it protected you. So we're good with pulling it out. It's not like you're just having to replace it for funsies. You're pulling it out because it protected you. Then again, my handy dandy knife. And just unplugged, just like that. That's where the plug is. This nicely sits right in there. It's just a nice and easy module. It's got everything contained in one, so you don't have to worry about, you're not rewiring anything. You're just gonna get another one of these modules, pop it in, press it down, and screw it all back together again. All right, here we are at the box. I'm at my house, and I have an electrical box plugged in out here for my power. So the nice part is I just plug this in, just like this, and I have that handle, so it makes it even easier. And then it has all green lights, as it should, because it is my home. And then I'm going to take this. It's very cold out, so unfortunately the cord is very stiff. Pop it in here. Okay, now we are plugged in at the house. Because of how great this cover is, you'll see I have a big old handle here, but it still fits perfectly well within that. And all the green lights are lit up. Everything fits. The whole thing's fantastic. It works out super, super well. That's it. That's this amazing surge protector. They do make them in 30 amp also, of course. You can't go wrong with it. The fact that you don't have to just throw it away, you just get to replace the module, that in and of itself is worth its weight in gold. Not to mention the quality of it. It clearly is well made. The hard rubbers, the handle thing, It's a fantastic surge protector, so if you need one for your RV, this is the one you should be looking at. Thanks so much for watching. If you're getting anything out of the video, I would appreciate if you would hit that like button and hit the subscribe, because don't forget, it's free.